Okie dokie. Yo. Hello. We're in for it today. Just going to run through some analysis to start. We've had a little bit this morning. So, had some movement this morning, just a little bit on a few pairs, but we'll run through and see where we are. So we're on the hourly time frame for the minute just to get an understanding of the broader market. See here that the euro pound has pretty much dipped back into this range area. So, I think we'll just leave that as that is for now. Okay, Euro USD. Kind of topping out. It looks like that's a long wick there. Yeah, long wicked at the top there. So potential turnaround to come back down on price action. It would seem it's going to come back down to here as soon as it's checked that point a few times. And back here we had a little bit of stagnation in the price before the continuation. We could potentially draw a slight trend line in, could we? It's not too solid, to be fair. It's kind of just hitting every point on the way up, isn't it? Tempted to just remove this box, to be fair. Clean that chart up a little bit. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Yeah, I feel like it's potentially going to correct and come back a little bit. So we'll leave that for the minute. Okay, Euro Aussie, broken out of that range that it was in for a while and continued on its up by the looks of it. There's not much going on with that really. I mean, it's potentially hitting that point there. Not sure if it'll break through. It might do. Christ, this one seems like it's got a lot of lines on it. What are we doing now? Right. Let's remove that. Get rid of that one too. I'm not so sure about that. Potentially this here is going to end up sitting and being the bottom, isn't it? Yeah, it kind of is already. It's on that big downtrend. Okay, we'll leave those as we are. I think, to be honest, until that breaks past that point, we're not going to be up in this full range area. It kind of fouled, broke, and come back. Almost like on a retest mark. Yeah. Euro Swiss. That's a nice big candle this hour just gone by. Let's see where that was going to head to. Nowhere. Okay, we can get rid of this one. Let's hit the range, broke through it, come back up to that turning point here. I'm going to have to close those curtains. It's a bit bright. Okay, cool. Where was we? Not sure. There's potential for it to hit. Yeah, there's potential for it to have that as a turnaround point. But either way, whatever that was, some sort of downwards pressure has been broke at the bottom of that anyway. That would have been a nice trade to catch. It would have been a bit hard on the hourly to pick that one up anyway. Yes, so potential, expecting down the day. Let's move on. The Euro JPY. So it's coming back up to that point. That's a big swing, isn't it? I'll get rid of that line in there. This one. Yeah, potential. Potential for that to be like a resistance line. It's kind of held it. We could expect probably more up. No, although to be fair, in about 12 minutes we've got Tuesday, 10 AM. It's medium impact, but got some Euro news, so we'll see what happens with that. Pound USD, looks like it's hit. Yep. Hit there, turning around. Long wicked. Big red straight afterwards for the hourly. Can we bring that trend line into play just to see where the breakout was? Yeah, that's pretty much that. Broke, retest and went. I feel like we're with a chance of that to just carry on down, to be fair. Because we had horrendous news on that Friday for the pound, and it's just tried to recover. It's clearly hit that point. Although if we look on the bigger scale, we've got all of this range to come up to potentially. It's like it bumps quite comfortably. We've had a big drop off recently, but I feel like there's a potential to come back up, make it back up to the 130 mark. We'll see. Yeah, we'll sit on that for now. We'll see if we get any short signals for it. I'll tell you what, I'll whack a down arrow. We'll put it there, we'll see it when we're on the 15s probably. Really not sure about this. It's got a little bit messy. It's recovered though, like steep, so you can't really draw a line on that, to be fair. We're sitting on that point there, so when you look left on the chart, you can see that it's a busy pivot point. And what's it up to? Nothing, it's just kind of ranging around. Okay. It's the same thing with this. Let's drag that one across for now. Oh, look at that for accuracy. Okay. Do I want to bring that over? Yeah, you can kind of see actually on all of it that it's a bit. Just gets noisy in this area, doesn't it? Okay. Well, at least we know it's. Yeah, so the British pound's kind of doing the same for everything, really. Not quite on like a trend. If you draw a line in, you can see it doesn't really match to anything all that well. Just from the angle of it, because it's uncertain. And then of course the JPY with it. Again, similar sort of flat line, bad news, recovering back to that sort of flat line area. Yeah, okay. We've got a somewhere in there. Where is it? In there somewhere. Don't know where. Must be when I was there. Ah, there he is. Delete that from backtesting. Must have left one in there. Yeah, so potential this is just going to come back up to here and bounce, I feel like, as a resistance. If it makes it. Looking at the top of this one here, although that's a long wick, top of it there, there's top of it there. Slight decline, so that's potential it'd only make it to about, is that 166.5 area? 7 minutes to 10, okay. USD pairs. The USD CAD has broke below out of it, but it's hit that true range value that I've put in there, funnily enough. Been there for a while, that one, and yeah, it looks like it's bouncing it. Okay, let's trim that one out. Tempted to just draw. I know it's a bit steep, but let's drop to the 15 for this. Oh well, I overstretched it there, man. It's just as to where you think. I feel like the resistance cuts through that. What if we do it from back on there? More. That seems potentially more accurate. I'll go with that because it's kind of broken, retested. It's running in line with this. And that was, if you like, the correction to the start of it to find that price point. Yeah. Oh, my microphone seems to be maxing out a lot. I probably should sort the settings out. Yeah, I feel like once the swing changes or the momentum changes, because we've got this point to get through between sort of the 136 to the 136.4. Okay. Swiss franc USD, or USD Swiss franc more, but you know. Oh, we're still on 15. Let's jump back up to the hourly. See what I'm gonna put. I'm gonna put that in. Kind of sits. I feel like it might break back down through it and hit. Could it hit there? Would it be more there? I mean, that seems. It's around there, isn't it? If we go to there, then that can be the lowest of it before. It might just wick onto it. But we kind of double topped and broke down. Then if we go back to the CAD, it's a scrappy one, but it's like up, down, up, down. There's potential to break and continue down, to be fair. Anyway, USD and the JPY. Loved it. It's just sat on that top line for ages. I'm going to extend that slightly. I feel like this is our cap, 145s, 145.5. 144 to 145. Okay. Aussie USD. 3 minutes to 10. Not sure where we're gonna. Feel like one of these is due. There's strength in the Aussie dollar this morning, clearly. And then it just faltered off. Trash, mate. Like it needs one of those as well. What are we doing with this one? I'm going to draw this in. Well, I'm not 100% that it's going to kind of bounce and carry on. I'm uncertain. I mean, it's at a turning point of like support. It's when it's sort of flatlining. Mind you, that's a big move there. It started to flatline or range, whatever you want to call it. Broke, corrected, kind of ranged. We'll have to see. Okay, Aussie Japanese yen. Feel like this is kind of just sticking along the top there. Yeah. I mean, the euro has just had some strength since about 7 o'clock this morning. I know it's got nothing to do with what I'm looking at in the minute. I'm just thinking because it's 10 o'clock. Should we check? So it's stayed the same as the forecast, 5%. We've got nothing till 2. That knocking in this track just sounds like someone banging on the door or something, like tapping. Okay. Oh, I forgot to do all my logging out and logging back in again from last time. Never mind. My feeds and that aren't updated. Anyway, whoops. Let's have a quick whiz. Just going to fly through the charts quickly and just see if we've got any sort of signals brewing in. Okay, so we reckon potential down on that still. Possibly. I am unsure about this one actually carrying on up. I'm getting signals for it to be like pushing up, but like everything else is potentially going to be dropping down. And that is yeah, so strength this morning, topped out, come back. Again, strength, topped out, come back. Sneeze. Oh, excuse me. I thought we were unmuted. Oh, it's made my eyes go watering. Nothing from the 10 o'clock. Let's see what happens. I don't feel like a lot's going to happen if it's stagnated already. The Euro's had it sort of whatever this morning where it's sort of strong, so it had a bit of strength from 8 o'clock. Sort of pushed up. A quick drink. Sorry about all that. Yeah, so I've got a signal on this candle here, but being so close to the top, I just didn't trust it. Let's see how far, because I probably would. Oh, the stop would have been around here. We'd aim at like 1.5, so we'd kind of make it at best halfway. Yeah, that was the right decision. Right decision not to enter, I think. I feel like this is just the Canadian's just on its way back down, isn't it? Upset my face, that sneeze. I'm not sure whether that's going to bounce or break through to carry on to the bottom of this range again. Oh, okay. I'm just not sure. I really don't want to draw the trend line in on this one, but I feel like it's just certainly not trending. Can we take this further down? I mean, that seems a little bit better. Covers more distance, more time on the direction. Yeah, so it's had its up. had its reprieve, working its way up gradually again. And now we're at that range point. I might change these to yellow, you know. Oh, that dark blue is hard to see. So the waiting game begins. Still, at least we got some good music. Oh, bloody euro. Oh, mate. Amount of times the euros cost me something. That sucks. I was going to enter up here as well, but I didn't trust it because the euro was going strong. You think, like, look at that, still going up against the AUD, still going up against the Canadian. Swiss has had that, and the JP's only just sort of correcting now. I just didn't trust that that was going to come back down. Baseline's still going up, but that's a shame. Oh, just punched the microphone. Sorry, that was loud. Yeah, it's just going, isn't it? I mean, I can't see that carrying on. What's the USD doing? Strong. Why did that have a burst at 10 o'clock? Got news at 2, news at 3. I don't know. Can't answer why it was so strong suddenly. Don't know whether to risk that, you know, taking the short. I'm so annoyed. Ugh. This pair. And just going up. Should have been in that long. I ignored it. Oh, it would have been such a good trade. And the thing is, like, it's now But you can kind of see it's running out of steam, like, you know, the movements is less. It's hitting this point. Also, the lines that you can't see because they're blue. Must admit, it did annoy me. Did annoy me. Silly. See, I'm getting sell signals from this, but just feel like there's still too much pressure pushing up. Right, you could do the same as what we've done with like the JPY. You could put that across there until it breaks it. You just can't. Yeah. No. Yeah. No. Potentially. Yeah. Okay. I wonder if there's a way that I could get a clock up on the screen. What's going on here? So USD did break. And it bounced. Oh, mate, the Aussie dollar screwed me. So easy to read as well. It was just this morning, just some silly mistake. Oh, it wasn't this pair, but oh, it's frustrating. Frustrating. Just trying to rush. Oh my god, bloody earphones. Pack it in. Would you look at that? Look, it's still going. It's infuriating. Thing is, I know better. Know better. It's jarring, mate. I feel like we're potentially going to get a bounce. Yeah, there's potentially a bounce on the old horizon, the Aussie dollar. And as I say that, this candle's like... I think we've got signs of weakness in the JPY. Let's check it. This is a, what, 10-minute delay or so? It reckons it's bouncing to come back up to get stronger. I'm looking at it the wrong way, of course I am. Because it's the second pair. So yeah, it's getting stronger because that's coming down. It's getting, well, the Australian is just whatever. USD. Yeah. It's definitely right about the short. I mean, it's potential that it's going to hold itself here now and then carry on, because it's kind of done the same. It's hit this point from the previous, bumped and turned. Let's hit this point from the previous, bumped and turned, almost like perfectly, like yeah, it kind of has really. You look, we've got an up and down there, we've got an up and down there, but those points is where it's bounced. We've got an up and down there, and then that's the point where it's going to bounce. Ooh, how far back did I just go? I don't know. But I'm going to change the colour of that. Yellow. It's got to be something bright because I want to be able to see it. So yeah. Let me undo. He's not happy about any of it. What is going on today? Yeah, so we've got long wick and up. I mean, there's no long wick on that. So we're potentially going to create, or we've got 6 minutes. That's probably going to come down, push back up maybe and go, or it's going to keep going. I feel like it's run out of steam. Hurrah! Oh, I should have eaten. I should have eaten before I started, that was stupid. What's going on? The numbers are starting to get sporadic. Wow, 20 past 10. What's happening? Did I miss something? Everything's starting to zip up and down. Yeah. Spreads have got excited as well. Did I miss something? No. He doesn't know. Let's put that to there. So I'm working on the second chart. Dun, 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 dun. Let's leave the American dollar out there on the 1 hour. I've got a chart on the right of this chart. I'm just going to have the old dollar index just sitting there just so I can see what's happening. It's on the decline, which is good, but it has hit a turning point. Everything's always hitting a turning point. That Euro Aussie is still going up. I don't know what's up with me. The thing is, I just know as soon as I enter along, it's just going to come back. I'm going to just lose money. It's triggering me all day. I need to stop looking at it, but I can't. I can't help it. It's only 20 past 10, and this pair is triggering me. It's literally right at this point. You watch it just keep going all day. It's going to have me on, isn't it? The whole thing's going to have me on. It's going to come like right back up to here or something. Even on the hourly, look. Still pushing, it's gonna go. God damn it, man. I should have been in this trade. Well, no, as soon as I enter that, it's gonna go whoop, back down. So annoyed at myself as well. Like all of these opportunities to just catch this reverse, and I saw it. And I didn't. I don't know what's up, mate. I'm in a mood today. Look at it. Oh my god. It's just pushing. I should have entered this long. I'm not even trading it. Fucking from here, from the bounce where it turned, should have just been in it long, and I'd have fucking taken all of that. I probably would have take profit at the top here. Fuming. I know trading is all about controlling your emotions and everything. I don't know, but this one this morning has just triggered me. Because literally the Aussie dollar had a move where it got stronger. So, you know, its pairs were weak or it was stronger. Like strong this morning, strong this morning, strong this morning. Like, and then it had a turnaround at like 7, 8 o'clock. At 7:45, 8:30. So it had a turnaround. 7:45, 8 o'clock, yeah? Unacceptable. And I wasn't looking. And the thing is, I wanted it. With any luck, we're going to get some sort of long wick and it's going to go... Bleh. Not that that matters, because I'm still not going to enter the trade, am I? Oh dear, right, leave it. Just leave it alone, forget it, delete the pair. Come back tomorrow. Just run through everything quickly, see where we're at. We've got a minute. Are we going to get lucky and get a bounce, or is the pound going to fall out of his arse again? So I might take that. I reckon that's... Let's mark it. So about there is good enough. Yeah. What's going on here? It's all been moved around. Oh dear. All gone wrong. Let's just say that was the entry point. So we're in profit, okay. There's a chance that it could go to that. And this silly little... Oh, this one on the other hand. Why am I still fucking trading the Aussie pair, man? What's up with me? I don't know what's up with me. Forgot I've got sounds on. How do I turn them off? I don't know. Charts. Noise. No. Oh, I don't know. I can't be bothered. Why would that tune have a heartbeat in the background? Wow. There you go, it's bouncing. Will it hold it? I feel like it's going, like it's definitely breaking. Possibly. The dollar's getting stronger, so as it still goes up. I don't care about looking at Apple. Well, I'll tell you what one I will look at though. A bit of Lunar Classic. Well, we peaked at 32. Cool. I definitely feel like it's not a breakout. Let's sit and watch. Sit and watch as it turns to blue. Come on, mate. Oh, this should be going down actually because you've got well, okay, did have strength. Reckon I've done it again. Entering into a turning point. I'm going to say it no. I'm going to believe that it's going to go down. I believe it's going to go down. Look at that. It's going down. You see it? Okay, let's just sit and watch it, shall we? Let's watch the trade play out. Well, with a bit of luck, it's going to make its move. Oh, I could do with that just a go, to be honest. Definitely. Okay, we've got 2 minutes. There's a surprise. Okay, so it's bouncing. Potentially. I reckon that, yeah, I reckon it's just doing a little recheck and then it's going to go. Yeah. I mean, I could have entered in these. Just, yeah. One's enough. You don't want to overtrade. Okay. So we've got nothing more. Let's just jump back to where we are. Just keep an eye on that for a minute. We'll see. I'm pretty sure it's going to keep pushing down, that is. And there you go. Turns back on itself. uh, 2 o'clock. So we've got a while. Come on. Yes. Here you go, yeah, see, so it did push back up. And hey, it's hit the top. Come on. Well, here we go. Come on, man. 7 minutes left on this candle. Yeah, I'll just... I'm just starting to feel like I should... Yeah. I'm just thinking, like, I'm looking at, like, price action trading as, like, a sort of learning curve. Just. Well, you called that bounce almost. I think the trend line should just be slightly up, or the resistance line. It's not really a trend. Things are kind of running out, aren't they, on the Aussie dollar? See, I would have entered the trade there. We'd be up. Be interested actually. I might do price action back testing for myself. Just pick a pair. Use replay so I can't like be influenced in that sense of decision making. And then see. Because I feel like I can read the chart quite well. Yeah, it's done it. So the top here, it's just slightly lower on the little swing to there. Top here, and it's just slightly lower than the top there on the swing. So I knew it'd stop at this resistance, which it did with a wick. And it's come down and it's swung back round there. So let's say I was just looking at this bit here. Let's make it like that. And I could just draw my resistance box in. Gonna go there. Oh! There and there. So you've got this movement. This is from the start of the days there where it turns grey. So price action comes down and checks. Bounces. We don't know where the top of that is. We would have said it's there, but it didn't. It checked and came back down. So you can see that it's done that. It's wicked and come back up. So as this candle is closing, you would enter the trade. You would have caught all of that. And then when it kept going up to this point, this candle closes. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it's all got potential. We'll see. We'll just have a quick whiz through. We've got 2 minutes to the hour, and then I think I'm going to take a quick 5, and then we'll come back. It's just a quick check on this, like how far down. It's not going to... There is potential for it to come to this point. It's done it twice. I think we'll just keep an eye on this trade because we could go down to there. We need a big candle or a lot of movement just to make that pressure. But it's definitely doable. Okay, quick whiz through. Yeah. Fucking mate. Pissing me off, that is. Like, I'm triggered by the fact that it's continued so strong. Alright, whatever. And actually, do I... Yeah. Let's carry on. Let's carry on because we're on the hour now. Go through quickly. Yeah. No real signals. Okay, so that is. Yeah, I think that's pulling back for a takeaway somehow. Okay. All right. Yeah, so I'm just going to take a quick 5, and then we'll be back. Okay, we're here, but got a bit of a crunchy snack, so I'm. Excuse me. My stomach is rumbling and growling at me. Oh mate, I really should have gone for it. I'm going in for it. Sod it. I'm taking the risk. I'm FOMOing. Where should we put? Oh, that's it. You just punched that microphone. Oh no, my boom arm's gone all floppy. Oh, I got to mute you for a sec. Hold on. Okay, I think that'll do. The mic's a bit further away from me now because I've had to rest it. Let's just chuck this in for where we've. I'm going to move that across. Right. So where did we enter? 152502. Oh dear. You watch. This is going to turn around now and be like, okay, mate, time to go back down. 153202. Probably a bit higher, but yeah. Here's the hope, you know. And then that's about there. Oh Christ, yeah, look at you, aiming higher. That's a dangerous stop loss, isn't it? Oh Christ. I've put it up onto this bit because I like the top of here. I feel like I can make that. You watch, that is literally just going to reverse now. Just, it's like a redemption trade. I'm just sort of forcing the issue. See what? Let's blue flag that. We can go on blue list. Well, that went well. Okay, I'm gonna have to mute again though, so I can eat. Oh dear. Right, well. Come on. Show me the weakness in the Aussie dollar. That is not a good sign. I feel like this is going to have to be a close. Because it's going, isn't it? What do we reckon? Don't know. I'm going to leave it for now. Yeah, I feel like it's... Yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Potentially just hit that point. $2 o'clock USD. Just take me. Okay, it's going red. Oh, no. The microphone just droops onto the table constantly. Sorry if that just banged, I just moved it again. Oh, it's going, isn't it? I'm not sure about that. I think I might just exit the trade. I definitely feel like it's just stagnating on this point. Let's just do that. Still, there's going to be weakness, so we're all good. Yeah, I feel like I've the So, the next one, Euro Ord, funnily enough, has done exactly what that chart's done. Motherfucker. That's why FOMO doesn't work. I shouldn't have done it, you fucking idiot. You should have done it early this morning when you was like, yeah. Go on, push back up, mate. Fucking knew it. I called it as well, boy. What the? If I'd done this down here, it would have fucking turned around back there. There we go. Fucking. Oh, I bet that means that one's cranked it as well, isn't it? Ooh. It was a good exit on that one. Come on, mate. Yo. How we doing? Waiting for this to go up. And it goes down as I say that. Have a little run through and see what we're in for. Some strength hopefully pushing through from that euro, so maybe this one will break back up. Doesn't want to break, does it? Just waiting for this retracement and get the entry back on it. It's holding that line. Here we go. What's okay? Strength in the Aussie. Strength in the Aussie. That's why I shouldn't have entered the trade, really. I think we're going to tick back into profit and then I'm going to close it. What do you reckon? Oh, would you look at that? What happens when you close a trade? I mean, I made profit from it. Thing is, you knew I was going to do it because you just saw all these euros pushing strong, man. Such a douche. Today has just been such a mess. Well, look at that. I just don't know what I think about that. Oh, let's try and move this microphone. Oh, I've moved it, but I just feel like there's too, I've got too much weight on the boom arm for the, like it's a little bit loose. It's not an old boom arm now, so I probably need to tighten everything up, to be fair. But anyway, where are we? We've just started a new, it's 11:30. Let's have a look and see what we got crashing through. Corrections. On the Australian pairs. We've got JPY trying again. The Shift Jippy. Yeah, I closed out of that the Euro one. Although it is still pushing up. I'll close with profit, so we'll take the small wins, that's for sure, but you know, a win's a win rather than a loss, but could have done with a bigger move. Should have took it earlier, it's a bit silly. American dollar's falling weak. Tempted to go long on this. Quite a bit of a beat, isn't it? We got to that point of the day. I reckon so. What do we reckon? Right. So yeah, we got a weakness. That's quite good. Yeah, we'll just have a little sit, wait. Yeah. What we got? Got a while yet. Oh, mate, come on, really? Oh, I'll tell you what, mate, I'm being trolled by this pair today. Trolled. What about that? Is that gone as well? Have me on. This pair has had me on today. We got strength in the Swiss. What am I talking about? Strength in the Swiss. That would be a good. Oh, I don't know. Lost my way today, I feel like. Look at it go. Look at it. Oh, mate. I'm actually being trolled by this. Oh, there he goes. Look. Whee. That's not what I'm looking at it. Oh, excuse me. Oh. Oh, I'm having a day today. I don't know if I can trust that it's going to go down from this point. I've got an entry here, very nearly. And I've got an entry here. The USD is getting weaker, which means that the British pound could potentially be getting stronger. And yeah, it's at like basically a turn point on all of its pairs. Look how annoying this is. Still going. You know, this is giving me signals for a down. Would make sense, seeing as the euro one is going up. Well, that kept going. Bro, what are you doing today? Oh, I don't know. But you want to see this. Look at this, look. Made it to the top. Even said it's going to make it to the top. I am actually being trolled by this pair today. Oh, mate! Infuriating. Because it's going to go all the way up to here as well, which is where I'm... I don't know. I feel like I'm actually being trolled by this pair today. Right, that's me done. I'm finishing the stream. I'm walking away.